Your charts look great, but what's the real story? Manually finding insights takes time and expertise. Introducing the DatumFuse.AI data storyteller, your personal data analyst on demand. Let's see how it works. First, we'll visualize some data. Here's a set of US import and export values. DatumFuse.AI instantly analyzes the data and suggests the best chart to start with. You can accept the suggestion or choose your own chart type. Let's customize it to show vessel imports by year. In seconds, your professional chart is ready. Now for the magic. Instead of staring at the chart, just click one button, Generate AI-powered narrative. Our AI copilot analyzes every aspect of the visualization: the trends, the outliers, the key data points, and instantly writes a clear, human-like summary. You get a powerful headline, concise bullet point key insights, and a detailed narrative paragraph. This is more than a description. It's a data-driven story ready to share. Now you can make faster, more informed decisions, backed by solid data evidence. Easily copy the narrative for your reports and presentations. Stop just looking at charts. Start understanding the stories they tell. DatumFuse.AI. Try it free during our public beta.